How to remove or disable administrator account on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to remove or disable the administrator account on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you need to just press on your Windows button, and here you will have the account, right? So if you press on it, then you will have the administrator account. But in my case, I don't have the administrator account. But if you have the administrator account and if you want to remove or disable that, then what you need to do is you can simply open up your command prompt, or you can simply right click on your Windows and you can go with Windows PowerShell as administrator. So click on it and it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to simply enter a command, which is net space user space administrator space / active :no, and then press the enter. And once you hit the enter, it will simply process the command. And once the command is completed successfully, you can simply right click on the start button. And once you right click on it, you will have the shutdown or restart option. You can simply go and restart or shut down. And that's how you can remove or disable your administrator account on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.